Hey everyone, I'm here to talk to you about a hot topic. I've had a lot of consultations come in and see me lately talking to me about their spouse cheating or the fear or thought that their spouse may be cheating. So I'm going to talk to you today about whether or not that affects your divorce here in Arizona. So the first thing to remember, Arizona is a no-fault state. What that means to you is that the courts in Arizona may not necessarily care why you're getting a divorce. It could be because your spouse is cheating, you fell out of love, you want to go marry someone else. That isn't going to affect necessarily how your divorce plays out. There are a few instances where cheating may be appropriate or may be a good argument in a case. One of those is going to be if you have a prenup that has a clause in it that says, hey, if you cheat, you don't get all this money or this agreement falls apart. Or another common scenario is a community waste claim. So for example, let's just say your spouse gets a $10,000 bonus for closing that deal, and instead of taking you on a cruise, they take their new significant other or the person they're cheating with you on that cruise, and that should have been money that you and your spouse should have taken part in. But those are really, really rare circumstances and do not commonly happen in family law cases. They're also really difficult to prove. So the advice that I like to give my clients is that divorces are like business deals. That means sometimes you got to strip out the emotion and the bitterness and the angeriness that you have towards your spouse, so that way you can get through the divorce as quickly and as cheap as possible, so you're not paying your attorney a lot of money. So what you really need to do is you need to go see an attorney. Call me, call somebody, go in and talk to an attorney about how your spouse or the idea of your spouse cheating could have an impact on your case. Because here's what's important to remember. Cheating on TV is not the same thing as cheating in real life in divorce cases in Arizona.